Immersion blenders are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best immersion blenders from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Braun MultiQuick 5 Immersion Hand Blender. Speeds. 2 weight. 1.59 pounds. 0.7 kilograms power. 350 watts warranty. 3 years for a less expensive option that still results in irresistibly smooth smoothies and soups. Consider the Braun MultiQuick. Similar to the Breville, this immersion blender has a bell-shaped design that allows for more control when blending and results in less splatter. It also has 350 watts of power, making it incredibly efficient at pureeing and blending. While there are cheaper options on the market, the Braun MultiQuick is the best value, thanks to its high-powered motor, versatility, and non-splatter design. However, one complaint is that the trigger button takes a little more force to hold down, so your hand may tire out more quickly. Still, this blender gets rave reviews for being easy to use and clean. It also comes with an impressive 3-year warranty. Number 2. KitchenAid KHBBV53BM Cordless Hand Blender. If a corded immersion blender feels restrictive, KitchenAid's cordless hand blender is another excellent option. It has adjustable variable speeds and plenty of power to whip potatoes, blend veggies, and emulsify pesto and salad dressings with ease. The KitchenAid was one of the easiest to attach and operate with a comfortably placed safety switch on the backside of the handle. I also love the look and feel of this stick blender with its durable matte plastic build. It has great weight distribution and is a true pleasure to use. This basic cordless immersion blender with mixing cup can be had for $100. It will run you closer to $160 if you choose the bundle with a whisk, food chopper attachment, and blending cup. Worth noting that you can't use this model if it's uncharged, since it can only be plugged in while the blade is detached. It takes 20 minutes or so to achieve a full charge, which gives you 2 hours of use. In a pinch, you can certainly charge it for 5 or 10 minutes and still get enough battery life for most hand blender tasks. Number 3. Vitamix Immersion Blender. Out of all the immersion blenders we tried in the soup test, the Vitamix was the speediest. Equipped with a 625-watt motor and 4-prong blade, it pureed our mixture in just 20 seconds and was the creamiest texture we tasted to boot. Because of this power, the Vitamix seems especially handy for large batches of soup. Also, its 9-inch blending shaft is longer than most of its competitors, which keeps hands safe from hot liquids, and the hard plastic bottom prevents scratches when blending in stock pots and Dutch ovens. The Vitamix is designed for one-handed use, with a power button to turn the machine on and another to control its 5 speeds. We did notice a significant amount of suction when blending both the soup and smoothie, and it was a bit loud as well at 89 decibels. The unique design of the Vitamix had also presented some challenges. It's domed with a 4-point blade set deeply inside. That extra space between the bottom of the container and the blades made it impossible to emulsify in our mayo test, despite repeated tries. For that reason, we don't recommend this blender for smaller servings. Additionally, the Vitamix design made it a bit harder to wash by hand, although it is dishwasher safe. Weight: 2.9 pounds. Number of speeds: 5 variable. Pulse turbo option: yes. Dishwasher safe wand: no. Accessories: none. Number 4. KitchenAid KHBBV53DG Cordless Hand Blender. For home cooks who don't want to be limited by power outlets, KitchenAid's immersion blender can handle a range of blending tasks without the hassle of a cord. It's designed with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which is ready to use after a 10-minute charge, although it needs 2 hours to fully juice up if it's empty, and easily lasted through our tests. The cordless KitchenAid gave a solid performance across all 3 tests. It blended soup in just 35 seconds, a smoothie in 40, and whipped up mayo with 4 pulses and 52 seconds of blending. We noticed minimal splashing, suction, and noise, and loved the freedom of maneuvering it around the container. KitchenAid also includes a removable cover for the blender head to protect non-stick cookware from scratches, which we thought was a nice touch. The blender's variable speeds were controlled by a trigger. The harder you push, the greater the speed. That made it easy to pulse ingredients but did present a challenge in keeping a consistent speed throughout blending. It felt comfortable to hold and had an easy-to-use safety switch, which is important since it doesn't have the barrier of plugging it in to turn it on. Weight: 3 pounds. Number of speeds: 7. Variable. Pulse turbo option: yes. Dishwasher safe wand: yes. Accessories: blending container, pan guard, battery charger. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check in the description below, there are product links.